Paula Vanessa Llewellyn was born at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston, one of the 4 children of Mavis and Clinton Llewellyn. Her mother was a nurse and her father was a realtor. She grew up in Pembroke Hall, a suburb in Kingston's north, attending St George's Primary School and St Hugh's High School. Llewellyn went on to the University of the West Indies at Mona, attending the Norman Manley Law School. She did her internship in Antigua, but returned to Jamaica to take up a position as court clerk at the St James Parish Magistrates Court, based out of Montego Bay. In 1986, Llewellyn became a Crown Counsel in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, ODP. She was made a Deputy Director in 1993 and Senior Deputy Director in 1999. A distinguished legal professional in Jamaica, served as the country's first female Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. Born in Jamaica, Llewellyn has made significant strides in the legal field, particularly within the Jamaican justice system. With over 30 years of experience in law, her tenure has been marked by a strong reputation for competence, resilience, and commitment to upholding the rule of law. Llewellyn's legal career began when she earned her degree from the University of the West Indies, UWI, after which she was called to the Jamaican bar. Over the years, she developed an impressive record in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, ODP, which led to her appointment as the first female DPP in 2008. Her appointment followed a series of high-profile cases in which she played a central role, further solidifying her reputation as a no-nonsense prosecutor. Though her initial appointment as DPP occurred in 2008, before Andrew Holness's administration, Prime Minister Andrew Holness would have played a role in renewing her tenure in subsequent years. Llewellyn's performance as DPP, handling multiple high-profile cases with professionalism and impartiality, likely influenced her continued leadership within the ODP under the Holness administration. Her leadership has been essential to several legal reforms and initiatives aimed at modernizing Jamaica's justice system. One of the most high-profile cases Paula Llewellyn has been associated with was the Vybz Kartel trial. Jamaican dancehall artist Adidja Palmer, better known as Vybz Kartel, was arrested and later convicted for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. This case captured international attention due to Kartel's fame and the intense scrutiny surrounding the trial. As DPP, Llewellyn was not directly involved in the daily prosecution of the case, but was responsible for overseeing the work of her office. Isaac Buchanan, a well-known defense attorney, was part of Vybz Kartel's legal team during the appeal process. Buchanan, along with other lawyers, argued for Kartel's appeal after his 2014 conviction, citing procedural irregularities and flaws in the evidence. Despite these appeals, Llewellyn's office defended the integrity of the conviction, maintaining that the evidence presented during the trial, including text messages and voice recordings, was sufficient to uphold the murder conviction, even though there was clear evidence of jury tampering of which she was aware. The trial of Vybz Kartel remains a significant case in Jamaica's legal history, and Llewellyn's involvement cemented her position as a staunch defender of justice, even in high-profile and controversial cases. Paula Llewellyn is known for her tough, assertive approach and a strong stance on matters of law and order. Her work as DPP has placed her in the spotlight of Jamaica's legal and political landscapes. Over her career, she has garnered both praise and criticism, particularly regarding her management of controversial cases, like Vybz Kartel's, and others dealing with high-level corruption or violent crime. Llewellyn's historic position as the first female DPP has also made her a role model for many young lawyers, especially women in Jamaica. Her continued presence in the legal arena under Andrew Holness's government underscores her influence and the trust placed in her judgment and legal acumen. We'd love to hear your comments. It will be interesting to hear what your thoughts are. Subscribe to Jamaica Diaspora Diaries for more diaspora news that affects us all. Like, share, subscribe and comment so you will be notified when we drop new content.